Welcome back everybody, VST here, NSP Tech, One UI 5 running Android 13. This year coming in the last weeks of July. It's a bit weird, last year it was more like September, etc. But 9 to 5 Google managed to find an S22 unit running the closed beta, One UI beta of course, running Android 13. And I had to do this video guys. There are also some recorded animations, screen recordings from Max and etc. on Twitter. I'm gonna also review those one. And before we start, I read it, right? So there are some screenshots and etc. The main recap right now is like, yeah, no, nothing fancy, nothing new. Even the shutter lag is there on the camera. So the whole thing with these iterations of new operating system is that people really expect miracles. But I have been covering Android 13 since the very first developer preview option 1. And yeah, there is nothing really much that Samsung or Xiaomi or everybody else can do, right? Of course, unless implementing their own things. But the way it goes, Google are riding the train. They create the next versions of Android. Everybody else trying to jump on the train, and yeah, somebody finds a nice wagon, somebody finds a private suite inside the train, it's fine. But it is how it is. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's just see what we have there. So with the rumors of the official One UI beta starting soon and internal previews on the way, people are getting excited. Yeah, that's true. And those guys here from 9 to 5 Google managed to get their hands. Okay, so to provide some context, this build was provided by a source and is not one that Samsung had released publicly, so it might not provide a complete picture. Alright, so let's say this is a very early, let's say closed beta, and they try to really compare One UI 5 to One UI 4. One UI 4 runs Android 12. The first thing is tweak notification design. So it's been slightly tweaked between One UI 4.0 and One UI 5. The new icons for notification along with an updated design style. The notification shade and quick settings also have a slight tweak to opacity. Neither of these changes are major. Alright, let's just see how here this is the One UI 4, which is pretty much what I hope you're using right now. And on the left hand side we have the One UI 5. And I have to say guys, this really looks like Android 13. Because again, I've been doing probably like 10 videos already on Android 13. Nothing really major here, but yeah, still making it a bit more like Android 13, especially here with these gaps that is also present there. Stock Android permission dialogues, absolutely guys, this is the Android 13 design, nothing there to be said. OCR in gallery and insert text from image in keyboard. Alright, I have been demonstrating this is a feature in Android 13. When you go to the recent menu and you find an application like Spotify, you can just click extract pictures text. So yeah, again, this is really just Android 13 functionality there. Security and Privacy Hub, again, it just looks really like from Android 13 with all these things in around. New multitasking gestures. This could be probably one of the things that will matter a bit more. So swipe for split screen, that's kind of new. So swipe up with your fingers from the bottom of the screen to change a split screen view. Swipe again to switch apps. And then there is also the thing that you swipe from the corner to change the pop-up view. Alright, this seems to be really new. Then there are some miscellaneous changes, which I even not gonna read. And then guys, there's this video that Max Weinbach posted on Twitter. Alright, he's saying it's not a big deal, and you know, we're just showing some animations there. He thinks that they just add a couple of frames. If we go inside and look about the comments, could we see something more of a normal usage with more navigation between menu apps? And Max is saying it only adds 2 or 3 extra frames, no noticeable differences. This here is important. Any improvements to the camera, shutter speed, he says no. But then again guys, we need to just think of this being really a very early release, so hopefully Samsung are gonna change most of it. Don't expect miracles. If you want to see what is really coming, check my Android 13 videos, right? So Samsung will not put more than this already on the table, unless of course things like these new multitasking gestures that Samsung can try to put on their own. So this by far now is everything we know about One UI 5. So the best news is it's coming earlier this year, probably 2 months earlier, and this is more than welcome since Android 13 already reached platform stability, right? Everybody else has it already, I think Xiaomi with MIUI etc. So why not Samsung? And Samsung are always trying to be one of the first that pushing security updates even quicker than Google. Alright, so guys, this has been a video. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, and yeah, stay safe. Bye for now.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking